I have been asked by several consumers on which convection microwave oven to buy because there are too many features with advanced functions. To make it easier for you, I have researched 10 best and latest convection microwaves and I will be sharing that information with you. I have ordered using the following parameters like the latest features, number of auto cook menus, customer service, price and value for money. I have given the links of most products. Please feel free to check out. I will explain what common functions every convection microwave has and list out the usage so that I don't have to repeat for every single oven that I'm going to list. Every oven I've selected for review has at least 5 microwave power levels. The usage is similar across different microwaves. In general, at 900 watts, you can boil water, cook fish, vegetables and meat. At 700 watts, you can do all type of reheating, roasting meat and poultry, cook mushrooms, cook foods containing cheese and eggs. At 500 watts, you can bake cake and scones, prepare eggs, rice and soup. At 350 watts, you can do all kinds of thawing, melting butter and chocolates. At 150 watt, you could soften butter and cheese, ice cream and raise yeast-based dough. All ovens I have selected for review has microwave, convection, grill and combination modes. Grilling mode allows to brown and crisp food quickly. Convection mode is mainly for baking. And there is another mode called combination mode which allows combining microwave power with grilling or convection or sometimes both. There could be 3 or more combination modes at varying microwave power levels. Grill combination allows you to cook food with heater and microwave. This means you will be able to cook and brown your food faster. Convection combination is used to reduce the cook time while baking by using the microwave power. Apart from the above information, all the 10 products I am going to mention as child lock features. Now let's check out each product separately. The Samsung 28 liters oven uses hot blast technology, which is a new method that reduces cooking time significantly. Powerful hot air is blown through multiple air holes directly into food, so it's cooked evenly with a crispy outside and juicy inside. Easy View glass is a trademark of Samsung that lets you check on your cooking without opening the door. Unlike conventional microwave ovens, the metal mesh in the glass provides much better visibility inside without compromising on the production aspect. There are a total of 306 auto-cook menus including 243 Indian recipes. The auto-cook modes are Hot Blast Auto, Slim Fry, Indian Recipe, Masala and Sun-Dry, Power Defrost, Combo/Diary and Hot Blast. You have the convection grill, microwave and combination modes. Hot Blast Auto has 20 recipes which includes tandoori items and pizza. There are 43 Slim Fry auto programs for frying. It uses 80% less oil compared to frying with oil fryer, while you get the same results. These programs run with a combination of convection, top heater and microwave energy. It uses hot air circulation for food that is crispy outside and moist inside with a touch of oil. Pakoras, kebabs, fish cutlets, chicken wings and french fries are some of the delicious recipes that can be made with this mode. Another special mode is the Masala and Sun-Dry mode, which has 55 recipes for making different masalas. The Sun-Dry mode can dry your food in minutes and is an alternative to drying in sun. It also has a special Tatka mode. This mode is useful for making your dish aromatic with spices and ghee at the end of your cooking. Very less oil is used and there is no risk of burning. There are 5 power defrost features that enables you to defrost meat, poultry, fish, bread, cake and fruit. The defrost time and power levels are set automatically. You have the option to turn the turntable on or off. You also can turn the sound on or off. The accessories that you get with this oven are crusty plate, top and bottom wire rack, roasting spit, coupler barbecue and skewer. The crusty plate is used to brown food better in the microwave or grill combination cooking modes. It helps the pastry and pizza dough crisp. The roasting spit is convenient for barbecuing chicken as the meat doesn't have to be turned over. It can be used for grill combination cooking. Also, Samsung has a very nice My Recipe app. It has categories of recipes where you can select the category you want and try out the ones you like. Also, favorite the ones you like. Also, you can select an oven and look for its demo. It has options like tips and tricks, cooking tips, and encyclopedia of ingredients. You have options to create your own recipes and save it. The LG 28-liter model has a total of 271 built-in recipes including 175 Indian auto cook options. It has different modes like healthy hot, tandoori, kids delight, diet fry, low calorie and Indian roti basket apart from grill, convection and combination modes. This has 30 heart-friendly recipes for those who are calorie conscious. Also, you can make crispy items like samosas and pakoras without worrying about the usage of too much oil. Thanks to the diet fried mode, you will be able to reduce up to 80% of oil usage. There are separate recipes for breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, soup, continental, salad, rice, and sweets. Indian Roti Basket allows you to prepare 12 different varieties of rotis. It has a 360-degree motorized rotisserie that gives you a crispy and tasty barbecue recipes at the touch of a button. It requires no manual intervention for uniform and even roasting. So you can make paneer tikka, chicken tikka anytime at your convenience. Pasteurized milk option will help you to get rid of the conventional milk boiling process. Not just this, it also retains the nutrition of the milk. You can make paneer curd anytime with this oven. You will be getting multi-cook tawa, high and low rack, rotisserie bar and handle, milk pasteurization kit, owner's manual, recipe manual, cookbook, and healthy heart book. LG has a recipe app, but that's a work in progress kind of thing. Instead, you could use their online PDF recipe in case you lose your manual. This is the 32-liter Samsung model and it is very similar to the 28-liter Samsung model that we discussed earlier, except that it is larger in size and has a capacity of 32 liters and a large turntable of 345 mm. It is good for large families. It has hot blast auto, slim fry, Indian recipes, masala and sun dry, power defrost, combo dairy, hot blast modes apart from grill, convection and combination modes. It has the largest turntable in the segment and 6 microwave power levels. The number of auto cook menus are 306 including 243 Indian recipes. The accessories that you get are high rack, low rack, crusty plate, roasting spit, coupler barbecue, skewer and glass bowl. The metal racks can be used to cook two dishes at the same time. A small dish may be placed on the turntable and a second dish on the rack. The metal racks can be used in grill, hot blast and combination cooking. The crusty plate is used to brown food better in the microwave or grill combination cooking modes. It helps to keep the pastry and pizza dough crisp. The roasting spit is convenient for barbecuing chicken as the meat doesn't have to be turned over manually. It can be used for grill combination cooking. The turntable on off button enables you to use large dishes which fills the whole oven by stopping the turntable from rotating. You may check out the Samsung My Recipe app for recipes and tips. This LG 32-liter model has a total of 400 built-in recipes including 200 plus Indian auto cook options. It has different modes for charcoal, Indian cuisine, healthy heart, kids delight, diet fry, low calorie, apart from the usual grill, convection and combination modes. The specialty of this microwave is the charcoal lighting heater. The main use of this heater is that its filament is made of charcoal, which helps in enhancing the taste of food, and it also helps in evenly distributed cooking in much shorter time. And everything cooked under this charcoal filament is natural and you get a taste like as if it's grilled over real charcoal. Few example recipes you can make using this mode are murg tandoori, barwan baigan, tandoori mushrooms, corn kebabs, malai tikka. There are a total of 131 recipes to choose from. It has a motorized rotisserie with which you can make chicken tikka or paneer tikka, or you can barbecue a whole chicken. This microwave is capable of cooking various morning snacks like naan, stuffed paranthas, masala roti, or even kulche. There are 28 recipes in this. Under the diet fry or low calorie mode, there are 29 diet fry items, 15 salads, 20 soups, 26 continental items, and 19 steamable items. This has 30 heart friendly recipes for those who are conscious about their calories they take. The cooking aid mode is great for defrosting, keeping warm, dehumidification, peeling garlic, steam clean, etc. With this oven, you get multi-cook tawa, high and low rack, rotisserie bar and handle, owner's manual, recipe manual, healthy heart book. Higher 30-liter oven features 400 auto-cook menus which includes Indian recipes, international recipes, breads, paneer, ghee, curd, low temperature cooking, home fry, crispy grill, speedy cooking, and fermentation apart from grill, convection and combination modes. There are 94 Indian menus, 57 international, 47 home fry, 23 breads, 93 curries and tatka, 10 barbecues, 60 breakfast and snacks, and other items like fermentation curd, paneer, etc. Under multi-stage cooking, two stages can be programmed at max. If the first stage is defrosting and second stage is grilling, it will happen one after another. The buzzer will ring once after each stage and the next stage will begin. The panel has push buttons and jog wheel compared to the other ovens which has touch. With this oven you get grill tray, grill rack and recipe manual. Whirlpool Magicook Convection 30 liter microwave is a special tandoori series microwave, and it has a total of 300 auto cook options including modes for Indian cuisine, soups, global cuisine, Indian sweets, baking, defrosting, rice basket, seafood, snacks and breakfast along with grill, convection and combination modes. It does a better job than the air fryers by retaining the moisture. Whether you want to grill, fry, bake or crisp, this microwave will offer you all the options. It cooks up to 50% faster and retains 45% more moisture than the traditional air fryers, making your food moist, tasty and healthy. Whirlpool has given 2-minute recipes in their app named Culinary, which is a work in progress kind of app. You will be getting a decent starter kit, grill rack and user manual with this microwave. Godrej 30-liter convection microwave has modes which includes Indian and international recipes, healthy bread basket, soups, tatka, paneer, ghee and curd. It has dual grill technology, healthy stainless steel cavity up to 450 pre-programmed Indian and international Instacook recipes, which is the highest in this segment, and has a lot of options like healthy barbecue, fermentation, paneer ghee, curd, oil-free recipes, and Indian Tatka. The InstaChef app, which Godrej has given, is very useful and has a lot of recipe videos and demo for different Godrej ovens. Panasonic 30 liters oven has different modes like microwave, grill, convection, and combination, along with chef secrets, zero oil recipes, party time, and family time modes. This oven features zero oil cooking for healthy diet. It comes with a variety of 305 auto-cook menus. Magic Grill, also known as Dual Grill, works simultaneously to prepare food that is crispy on the out and juicy inside. One touch fermentation feature allows you to prepare flavorful yogurts to soft breads, paneer, and dough. Defrosting option allows you to defrost meat, fish, bread, soups, fruits, and vegetables at the touch of a button. You get vertical rotisserie bar, high and low rack, crispy tray, and user manual with this oven. Morphy Richard 30-liter oven has 200 built-in auto-cook menus, including 125 Indian recipes under different modes like main course, continental, soups, desserts, baking, breakfast, rice delight, seafood, snacks, and options for defrost and reheat, apart from grill, convection, and combination modes. 360-degree motorized rotisserie lets you enjoy a restaurant-style barbecue. This oven allows you to do two stages of cooking. For example, if you want to microwave food for 5 minutes followed by grilling of 10 minutes, you can do that in one shot and relax. With this oven, you get cooking tray and wired rack, rotisserie set, and recipe book. This microwave oven is equipped with 10 variable cooking power levels and features multi-stage cooking, which enables the user to store 3 types of cooking cycles in its memory. The microwave comes with built-in 101 ready-to-cook menus. This includes different varieties of rice, pulao, biryani, lots of cakes, pizza, cookies, barbecues, and kebabs. The vertical rotisserie allows you to enjoy different types of barbecue. It has separate buttons for popcorn, beverage, rice cake, pizza, cookies, and barbecue. It has different modes like turn grill, convection, and combination modes like grill microwave, turn grill microwave, convection microwave, and grill combinations. Personally, I felt that the panel looked cluttered, but it might be easy for someone to use because everything is written on the panel and there's no guesswork involved. Along with this oven, you get a recipe manual, tandoori rod, and starter kit.